Bath or bathtub. When are you getting out of the bath? We're going to be late. Shower. We need to call a plumber to fix the shower. Shower curtain. Pull the shower curtain across so you don't get water on the floor. Towel. The hotel will have towels. We don't need to pack any. Towel rail. Hang your wet towel on the rail. Bath mat. Stand on the bath mat if you can. The floor is slippery. Tiles. The tiles prevent water from damaging the walls and floor. Sponge. Some people use a sponge to wash themselves in the shower. Bubbles. The bath was full of bubbles. Rubber duck. There was a rubber duck floating beside him in the bathtub. Shower gel. There's often free shower gel in gym changing rooms. Shampoo. Wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner to keep it clean and glossy. Toilet. Don't forget to flush the toilet after you use it. Toilet paper. We're nearly out of toilet paper. Toilet seat. Who left the toilet seat up? Toilet brush. If you need to clean the toilet, use the toilet brush. Bidet. Very few bathrooms in England have a bidet. Basin. Wash your hands in the basin before leaving the bathroom. Plug. The plug is connected to a chain so you don't lose it. Plug hole or drain. Why isn't the water going down the plug hole? Tap or faucet. The tap water is drinkable here. Toothbrush. I get a new toothbrush every 3 or 4 months. Toothpaste. Squeeze a small amount of toothpaste onto your toothbrush. Electric toothbrush. I've lost the charger for my electric toothbrush. Toothbrush holder. We keep our toothbrushes in the toothbrush holder above the basin. Mouthwash. Don't swallow the mouthwash. You're supposed to spit it out. Floss. Sometimes I use floss sticks instead of ordinary floss. Face wash. Have you tried using face wash before you go to bed? Moisturizer. When my skin is dry, I apply some moisturizer. Razor. I accidentally cut myself with the razor while I was shaving. Razor blade. I replace the blade in my razor every 2 weeks or so. Shaving foam. It's a lot easier to shave if you use shaving foam. Comb. He combs his hair each morning so he looks smart for work. Hairbrush. She took off her hat and picked up the hairbrush. Nail clippers. I use nail clippers to cut my nails. Perfume. Are you wearing a new perfume? It smells great. Deodorant. Your skin should be completely dry before you put on deodorant. Toiletries. I have a special travel case for my toiletries. Shelf. Please put the shower gel back on the shelf when you've finished. Cabinet. We keep the toiletries in the cabinet above the basin. Mirror. I use the bathroom mirror to do my hair. Soap. Wash your hands with soap, not just water. Hand towel. You can dry your hands on the hand towel beside the basin. Scales. Go and check how much you weigh on the scales in the bathroom. Dressing gown or bathrobe. That dressing gown looks so soft and comfortable. Hook. We hang our dressing gowns on the hooks behind the door. Laundry basket. Put your dirty clothes in the laundry basket, please. Bin or trash can. It can't be recycled, just throw it in the bin. Plunger. We used a plunger to clear the blockage. Cleaning spray. For good bathroom hygiene, you should use a cleaning spray. Air freshener. Spray some air freshener so the bathroom smells nice when you leave it.